Down on Green. Pass on Hilario. Down under pass. Number 27. Moves. Down on De La Cruz. Now some Pablo Fars basket on number 24. Now Hilario Fars. Rebound on jersey number. Now on number 8. Oh, what a pass! The Dawson Espiritu Santo. Now Lucero. Basket on number 28. Now number 14, De Jos. Pass on San Pablo. San Pablo Fars. Now it's the block. Manalo basket. Espiritu. Harassing on De Jos. Now Fars basket on Balis. Second sweep for the buzzer from downtown. Look at rebound now. Fars. Pass. Fars. Basket on jersey number 39. Kakapasok lang. Now De La Cruz. Basket.
Rebound, now Tanquiles. Pass on San Pablo from the 14-foot line basket. Now Susan time. Keeps it out. Now from downtown. Report to tayo. There's a motion stable. Same basket on number 14. Behind the back on Susan. From downtown. 14 seconds on the shot clock now on San Pablo. Now post move. Drives. Basket on Mr. San Pablo. Now on the post move. Yan ang advantage ng mas maliit. Uha dun sa fielder. Now 5 seconds for the buzzer. Now Soto Rizzo. Basket on the San Pablo. Now Ramirez. Fars underneath. Basket on Mr. Ramirez. One. Fars. Basket. And here's it. Now from downtown. Comes the team 95. Number 8.
Now Fars. Basket on jersey number 27. Now Mr. Green. Lays up. Basket on Mr. Green. Now basket. Now game clock na tayo. So 10 seconds. Now Salazar lays up. Basket on Mr. Salazar. Now San Pablo. Number 22. Basket on De La Cruz. Sa double team.
Nakawala. Now Morales goes to goal. Basket.
As on Manalo. Now lays pass. As on John Fars. Good. Second try. Wala. Out of bounds. Now the muscle man. Pass on Alvin. Lays up. Basket on Mr. Alvin. Now 10 seconds on the shot clock. Oh, high step. Basket on number 18. It goes over. Now pass. It goes Fars. Basket. Now De La Cruz. Basket. Now Mr. Saldi. Now number 24. Basket. On Green. Now number 27. Behind the back on Manalo. Basket on number 0. Now Fars to 3. Basket. Number 17. Now Saldi. Pass on number 24. Back now on Bautista. Now number 27. Saldi. Fars.